What is the tax credit and why is everyone talking about it when going solar? So thanks to the new Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, 30% of your investment of going solar comes back to you as a form of a tax credit. So it's important to remember, if you do not pay taxes, if you are retired, chances of you getting this are very slim. I highly recommend everyone to talk to their tax advisors to ensure whether or not you would qualify for this tax credit before deciding to go solar. But with that being said, the tax credit has a 5-year window. So you have 5 years in total to accumulate this 30% balance. For any reason you aren't able to get it all back your first year. Now, when you get this tax credit back, we highly recommend that you take that tax credit and reinvest it back into your purchase of solar to help your return on your investment speed up that much quicker. A cool thing about this outside of the federal tax credit is with the state incentives, the state of Indiana has ensured that your property taxes will not increase when adding solar to your property, which is a very big thing here in Indiana. So that is the federal tax credit that is involved. Again, that's 30% that will come back to you in the form of a tax credit. You have to be a taxpayer. It comes in a 5-year window. For any reason you're not able to get it all back your first year. So again, talk with your tax advisor to ensure that you would qualify for this credit before deciding to go solar.